Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be simplifying this expression here using a different method. Okay, the goal is to turn this into a perfect cube so that we can simplify with these three here. So to do this, guys, well, let's make some transformations here. So I'm going to start adding b to the 90 and subtracting b to the 90. Okay, so that I'm going to have here I'm gonna have here 9b to the 90, right? A to the 10 minus b to the 10. As you can see here, this one here is equal to this one here, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna separate this fraction here into fractions. So I'm gonna have this one here. This one here I can write as this one here, right? Cool. Now we can multiply this by this and by this. Okay, cool. So after multiplying this one by these two terms here, we're gonna have this one here. Okay, so these two terms, and then from here, if I'm going too fast, please slow the speed of the video. So let's go. You see that this one here is equal to this one here, right? So I'm gonna take this one here and bring it inside this square root, taking to the power of 2, right? Because if we want to put this inside, we have to put it inside with the power 2 here. So we're gonna have then this one here came here with the power of 2, and if we simplify, we're gonna get this one here. This one here divided by this one here, we're gonna have just 3b to the 60, right? 9 divided by 3 is 3. B to the 90 divided by b to the 30 is b to the 90 minus 30, and this is 60. Okay, very good. And now this one here, we can multiply this. We're gonna have 3, right? Because this one is equal to this, so we're gonna have this one to the power of 3, right? Very good. And now we have three terms here, right? This is not the end of what we want, but we already have two important things. We have this square root here to the power of 3, and we have this 3b here, right? So let's go ahead and see what we can do here. Okay, what I'm gonna do here now, this a to the 10 here, I'm gonna add minus b to the 90 and b to the 90, the same thing I did before. I'm just adding b to the 90 and subtracting b to the 90, the same thing till this moment. Okay, and now this 3 to the 60, I'm gonna write this as b to the 30 to the power of 2, right? So I'm just I'm going to organize these terms here. So we're gonna have this one. This is then b to the 90 plus a to the 10 minus b to the 10, right? And then plus this whole expression that we already had. And now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna turn this one to be something like this, right? So I'm gonna multiply this expression here by 3b to the 30 divided by 3b to the 30. If I simplify these two, I'm gonna have this one only. Okay, cool. Let me see. Okay, cool. Now, but this one here is not equal to this, right? So I'm gonna take this one to the power of 2, and I'm gonna put the square root here and square this. So I have now this one here. You see, this one here is b to the 30 to the power of 3 plus 3b to the 30, which is this one, and now this one here to the power of 2, because if we simplify this, we're gonna get back to this. Okay, now I'm just going to rearrange the expressions here. I'm going to write this term in the place of this. I'm just gonna switch these two here. Okay, and now I have this is b to the 30 to the power of 3, 3b to the 30 to the 2 times this, which this one here is this one here, and this one here is this one here, this one here is this. So as you can see, we have a perfect cube here, but let's make it more clear. if you look at this, we can compare to this, and this one here is similar to this. So our x here is going to be b to the 30, and our y is going to be square root of a to the 10 minus b to the 90 divided by b to the 30, right? Cool. And then from here, okay, we said this, right? It means that this cubic root here will be just equal to b to the 30 plus square root of a to the 10 minus b to the 90 over 3b to the 30, and this to the power of 3. This was the goal, to transform this expression into a perfect cube, so that we can simplify this power with this index here. So we have then that this is b to the 30 plus this square root here of this expression. And then concluding, we now can say that cubic root of this expression is equal to b to the 30 plus square root of this expression. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please tell me in the comment what method you prefer. We have a video on the channel that we solved using substitution, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next video. Let me know how you would what would you do to solve this problem. Let me know in the comment. See you next video. Bye bye.